Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't been playing a lot recently. But with the semester all finished, that could probably change. I wonder if you guys are more interested in if I were to ramp up my playing, if you guys would be interested in longer videos, or if you guys would be interested in I don't know, say 30 minutes videos, but I get more done. So I could edit out maybe some resource gathering. Um, yeah, I would like to know. Anyhow, I don't think I'm quite ready to go back and search for the hematite yet. So I think I'm just gonna do some building today, I think. And I think I will try and get that this windmill going, if I can, that is. So let's see what kind of mechanical parts I have and what I'm missing to finish this. So I have the rotor. I think I'll need another axle, won't I? Okay, I actually don't have any. I don't have any animal fat. Alright. Okay, well, oh wait, actually I do have this blind. Okay. Angled gears. Oh, I don't have resin, right? Oh. I do have 2 resin. One second. What do I need? I need the angled gears, I suppose. I do kind of want the... what's that, the brake? I think to stop... Actually, let's look up mechanical power. A brake. Okay, well that will require 2 resin, which I don't have, and as well 1 wooden axle, which I don't have either. Okay, that's gonna have to wait. But I can make the, what is that, the angled gear. So I'll need my saw, I'll need 2 sticks. Hammer, chisel, okay, that's a lot to remember. I will try my very best. I don't think that chisel will be enough. Let's see if I have one in here. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I totally forgot to bring a log as well. Right. Oh right, there was a saw in this as well. Okay, there we go. Alright, I should probably sort out my inventory. Okay, there we go. At least a bit better. Alright, I probably should have finished this, ouch. Whoa, there's just spawning a bunch of guys. Let's see if I have my bow on me as well. Oh hey, 2 birds in 1 stone. Okay, I don't know what's going on. They like all spawned at once. Alright. Let's clean them up. I do kind of want to get something done before I go to bed. There's a bow torn over there as well. Ouch. Okay, I don't know what's going on. It might be because of that rift that everything is spawning. That's a bow torn as well. Can't see him. Okay, everything just went to absolute chaos. It's not what I want to be spending my time with. So, I think my plan is to... I think I'll need blocks actually. So I will go and bring that. I think I want to make... if you imagine like a water tower, like a old western water tower. I kind of want to make something similar to that, but with my windmill. I don't know if there is something similar. Like just an old western windmill, I suppose. Maybe that's a thing. I'm looking for blocks. Okay, there we go. Alright, these guys are bothering me so much. It might be too dark now to work. Ouch. Okay, let's see if I can even get this working, first of all. Man, these guys. Okay, I'll need the rotor. And I will need it to be the other way, I think. Oh. This is not going well. Okay, there we go. Make sure they can rotate freely. What? Should be able to. Why isn't this one spinning? Is it because like snow is in the way? Oh. Okay, let's see if my hammer is working now. It is. Okay, nice. Okay, I think I'll head to bed. I don't want to deal with these guys. Alright. Ah. Whoa, hello. Ouch. Alright. Let's see, what's the time? Oh, it's 5 in the morning. Okay, well, I do kind of want to go hunting. I need more fat. Animal fat. My spear is like super low. I could... You know what I could do? Do I have the charcoal? Okay. I'm gonna go do some smithing. Or I'm gonna go and weld some metal. And actually, I could probably move all of this now down to where I need it. So I think I'm gonna do that first. I wonder if I can just break this, but I don't... you know what? Let's try it. Okay. They all just fell out. Okay, I have an anvil back there. I could probably bring this one as well. So I guess this small hut is going out of commission. I will also bring this later. It does look kind of nice having that windmill over there, just rotating, spinning away. Okay. Yeah, see, I don't want to have this sound always just hammering away, that's why I want the break. Anyways, where to place? I think I'll have them over here. Axe mold, pickaxe mold, melee mold, hammer mold, prospecting pick mold. I need to make more of these vertical racks. Planks and sticks. I can totally do that. Oh, hello. I can probably also start like trying to make armor, I think. I'm not sure if I have too much tin left. I think I've used up a whole bunch of it. I think the progression is supposed to be more... what do you call it? Like sped up? When it comes to metal. So I think what you're supposed to do is just... Once you get one piece of... like metal, just try and upgrade as soon as possible. Which I haven't done. That's not the direction I wanted it in. Alright. Okay, I'm not entirely sold on this layout. But... it will do for now. Okay, I wonder if you can stack these. So if I make... Actually, let's make 2 more. Just for the sake of it. You can stack them. Okay. That actually looks quite cool, I think. Can I put this one in here? No. Alright, then I probably shouldn't have made that Hellhammer mold. I think you can smith them, right? Anyways, let's move over all the metal ingots. And actually, let's first try and clear up my inventory a bit more. Okay, I think we're ready. So I want to make... I kind of forgot why I wanted to make these bronze ingots now. I have to think. Okay, I have 100 more tin. We should be fine. Let's see, I wanted them for... Oh yeah, I want to make a sword eventually. I'm not sure if that's the reason I wanted to come over here. Ooh, actually. I want to make like a cool like oven area where I can smelt the... or where I can put the crucible in. I don't think I will do that right now though. Need firewood as well, which I have inside. Alright. Let's see, let's place it over here. Oh, actually, I'll probably need charcoal in that. Okay, but we have a fire pit now. Okay, we got everything moved over. Now, I'll want to make... This is kind of annoying. Okay, there we go. I can just have it hammer into nothing. Okay, so... Oh yeah, I needed pickaxes for the treasure hunt, so I guess I'll make 2 pickaxes, so... Oh, I guess I only have 1 pickaxe mold. Okay, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 units of bronze. So I'll just quickly calculate that. Okay, if I got this right, which I might have gotten wrong, I think it is 8 pieces of tin and 92 pieces of copper. Oh, where is my crucible? Guess I didn't bring it. Right. Oh, also for the exam that I did yesterday, I sat for the entire duration, which was 5 hours. It was very hard. You know, like before, I think they've actually shortened the time to write the exams. I think they were given 6 hours in the past, which I would have liked, because I didn't get to answer 1 question, and I also didn't have time to like revise my answers to see if they were reasonable or correct. Right. But I think it went well. They posted like the answers to the exam, and I'm not sure, so we need like 50% to pass, and it honestly might go both ways, but I think I'm definitely proud of like my, how do you say it, like what I achieved during the exam. I don't know if that's, but like I'm definitely proud of my. Yeah, I don't know. Even if I pass or fail, I still think I'm proud. I did the best I could. That's, I guess, what I'm trying to say. But yeah, anyways. It felt kind of bittersweet though after the exam. Everyone's going home for the summer, so. Anyways. Let's see if these are somewhat finished. Okay, in a while. I have forgotten to do this like positive bit. I'm not sure if I have something like super extraordinary. I know like for one examining moment we had during that class, it was like programming, and I passed that one, which I felt super grateful, and that was a super positive thing at the time, because the like last or previous assignments that I've done, I failed at, so it felt nice to have like a small victory. But yeah, it's also super nice to be done with the semester. You know, even like if you like math or like what you do, you still get tired when exerting yourself, when trying to learn new things, and so it will definitely feel nice to have a break. Oh, actually I'll need my tongs, won't I? I wonder if they're in this shack. They weren't in that one. In my wooden hut over there. Alright, well. Okay, so one of these ingots I'll have to smith into pickaxe. And then one I can smith into a sword. Awesome. Oh, also, one positive bit. It is actually like summer here now, so I think I'm probably gonna go head out and enjoy the weather quite soon. I think, yeah, I can definitely continue this in the next video. I think one thing that I've been like caught up on is that, like, which I've said I shouldn't do. Like, I say a bunch of stuff and then I don't do them, I feel like. But I feel like getting caught in having to do a bunch of grand things in one episode. I think it's fine to like do things halfway and then continue another time. So yeah, hopefully it isn't too unsatisfying for you guys, but yeah, I think I'll take a break here and come back tomorrow. Yeah, sorry for the a bit of a weird episode, and the last one as well. 2 guys just spawned there? Ouch. I think sometime soon, so I'll probably fix or like do a bit of this tomorrow, and then the episode after I might consider going back to the hematite. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching as always. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.